Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
So this one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito po ang biyahe ng buhay ng kabisyo nating itatago natin sa pangalang Ina. Hi DJ Lala. Itago nyo na lang po ko sa pangalang Ina. 19 years old, mula Quezon City. Hihingi lang po sana ako ng advice. Meron po kasi akong karelasyon at nagkakilala lang po kami sa internet. Every time po na magkausap kami or gusto ko siyang kausapin, lagi niya pong sinasabi sa akin na busy siya. Tuwing gabi na nga lang po kami halos nag-uusap, pero parang lagi pa siyang galit sa akin. Kahit wala naman po talaga akong ginagawang masama sa kanya. Ang tanong ko lang DJ Lala, itutuloy ko pa ba ang relationship naming dalawa? Sana po mapansin ninyo tong sulat ko. Good evening po and more power to your show. My love, this one is a no-brainer. Di pa kayo nagkikita, sa internet lang kayo nagkausap, sa internet lang kayo nagkasagutan, and then wala pang taon na binibilang ng relationship ninyo, narinig mo na yung classic na words of excuse ng isang tao na ayaw gumawa ng paraan to make a relationship work. Those are busy ako. Again, no-brainer to, my love. Kung ayaw mong masaktan pa ng higit pa sa nararamdaman mo ngayon, then end it now. My love, ganito, no? Huwag kayong mag-expect na kapag ang tao na kilala nyo lang sa internet, hindi nyo pa nakakasalamuha in person, that everything will work accordingly to how you see fit or how you dreamt of having a relationship. Huwag ka mag-expect na yan ay tipong full-blown type of relationship pa na boyfriend-girlfriend na may pagdalaw, may pagsundo, pag-celebrate ng anniversary. Alam nyo yon, yung may pag-dream of being together, may future. Relationship na may future. Kapag yung relationship na yan ay na-form lang sa internet and walang plans of seeing each other, of personally being with each other, huwag ka na mag-expect that is something that you can count on. I'm not saying na walang relasyon na nag-work out because of internet. That's not what I'm saying. Pero one thing is for sure, walang relasyon na mag-work kung hanggang internet lang. That one, sigurado ako. It's impossible for you to maintain a relationship na yun lang ang merong kayo. Kasi one of the key factors ng isang relationship is affection. Physical contact. Kung wala kayo niyan, you'll just be tempted every single day by those people who are near you. Those people na around you. 'Di ba? Parang every day you'll just be asking yourself na, what am I doing to myself? Anong future ang meron sa amin kung hanggang dito lang kami sa internet? Anong future ang mabibuild namin kung hindi pa kami nagkikita? Di pa siya nakikilala ng parents ko. Di ko pa siya nasasama sa amin sa celebration ko ng birthday, sa bakasyon, celebration namin ng Christmas, family reunion. You know, that kind of connection kasi is essential to our relationship. And that cannot happen over the internet alone. So kung kaganitong ka-early pa lang ng relationship ninyo at ganitong setup na meron kayo, ay hindi mo na siya ma-reach, hindi mo na siya ma-contact, hindi mo na siya makausap, might as well, my love, do not waste any more of your time to this person. Kasi, ito na nga lang meron kayo eh. Yung communication, yung conversation over the internet. Kung mawawala pa to, di ba, medyo some kind of common sense. Ano na lang yung meron sa relationship ninyong dalawa? Wala na. Even those people na nasa LDR situation na nakikita yung tao taon-taon lang, alam nila kung gaano ka-essential ang communication. What more pa sa inyo na dyan pa lang kayo nagkakilala at dyan pa lang kayo nagkaroon ng communication and connection. you must understand how important that certain aspect of your relationship is. So kung walang ganyan, my love, I don't think it will work. Again, do not waste any more of your time to this person. Maybe next time, kapag nagkaroon ka ng relasyon or gusto mong pumasok sa isang relasyon, please have a plan. Okay lang naman na magkakilala kayo sa internet. Ang dami naman mga success stories na dyan nagsimula eh. Nagkakilala lang sila sa chat, sagupa lang sila sa isang group chat or sa isang Facebook group or nagkasabay yung comment nila sa internet, something like that. Doon lang sila nagkakilala. But then again, they had a plan to meet each other, to personally be in contact with one another. And that's how they started. So if your relationship is not something na merong ganong klaseng plano, do not expect it to last. May mga tao kasi, my love, na magaling eh. Magaling gumawa ng personalidad over the internet. Kaya nilang ipakita sa inyo na sila ay sobrang, alam nyo yun, sobrang sweet, sobrang maalaga. They can tell you all the stories you wanna hear just to make you fall for them. That's easy. Pag magaling magsulat, pag mabulaklak yung dila, easy peasy. Makukuha ka nila. Pero yung sustainability ng relationship na yun, that is something that won't ever exist. So again, my love, if that's the situation, it's time for you to go. It's time for you to find someone who can actually give you a true, genuine, and real kind of relationship. Not something like this. Unless that's what you think na deserve mo. Diba? If you do know that you deserve more than that, then maybe it's by time that you only accept that kind of relationship. Claro?